ఓటీపీలు చూసారా? చూడలేదా? ఓటీపీ వచ్చింది స్క్రీన్ మీద. ఎందుకు చూపిస్తావు? ఓకే, సో enumerate which is finished. Looping through collections is also finished. Okay, then what else is pending? Set operations is completed. Tell me, what are the set operations? Symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? Sirisha, what is symmetric difference? Very good. No, that's right answer. Good way to remember it. If you don't remember what is symmetric difference, it is opposite of intersection. What will intersection give? Intersection will give formal elements of both the sets. Symmetric difference will give you the elements that are not common in both the sets. Okay, and from after that, today we'll do while loops. Hey, wait. Our guy has not joined yet. Okay. Ask if he is feeling well enough to join. Okay, before we do that, let's solve the assignment questions first. Okay, how many of you completed the assignments? Yesterday's one. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go assignment by assignment. Day 17, assignment 1, 2, 3. What is assignment 1? Okay, you got answer to this assignment 1? Everybody? No doubts there? Assignment 1, any doubts? Set operations. You got the answers? Okay, try it in the lab. Tell me if you have doubts. Sirisha, you did this? Okay, try this and tell me. Okay. Third one, how many of you attempted this? You tried? Ralida? Hmm. Okay. Do you want me to solve this one? Try just. Okay. Assignment 2. Calculate the vowels. String can also have special characters. Did all of you attempted this? You got solution?
Yes.
Okay. You got the solution. Huh? నీది స్పేస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వస్తుందా డిస్కార్డెడ్ Okay. Rama, what was your code? Quickly send your code to me. Okay. Now we'll analyze Rama's code and see what is the error. One second. This is your code, right, Rama? Mhm. So we'll take this code and we'll see what is wrong with this code. So let's go line by line with your code. Okay, explain me what is the code where you're taking an input from user. That input is adding to var1. Then you are defining all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, both in capital letters and small letters A, E, I, O, U in a tuple. Okay. One good thing you have done here is when you are using something which is constant like vowels, vowels will not change ever, right? When you are using something constant, use it in a tuple so that you accidentally also don't change it. You can use a list here, but it is better that you use a tuple because tuple is immutable. This is where you use the properties, where you are defining something that is constant, that stays constant. So vowel count 0. Okay, you have initialized vowel count. You have initialized constant count. So far, all good. So next, let me fix the indentation. Now, so what you're doing is you're running a loop through the input string. Okay, so you're saying for var3 in var1. Rama, one mistake you have done here is you're not using right variable names. So you should rather use here chars, so that you understand. So whenever you're using variables, always have a proper name to the variable and always have a definite purpose for your variables. Use your variables for that purpose only. I sent you a. Why did I send you that? Make it wallpaper of your mobile so that you always remember not to misuse variables. Okay. So now we'll make it char. Char. Char and char. And the other one also you should use input string instead of var1. Okay. Now let's see. Now you are saying if char is in vowel, so that means let's say I give apple. So how will it run through it? First, it will take A. It will check if A is in AEIOU. A is in AEIOU. It will count 1. And then P. It will take off. Let's do a dry run here itself. So first I'll take input as apple. So iteration 1, A. And when we are taking A for char in var1, A will be taken. And if A is in vowels, yes, that is true. So vowel count, VO count will become 1, right? Because it is 0 already. It is initialized to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And then you're saying printed. Printing is just displaying. Printing will not assign anything. Printing is different from assigning. Okay? This is only for Rama. Okay, and then now A is done because it will not, since A is already in vowels, this condition is true, it will not go into a else block. Then it is about P. Now the next letter is P. So let's go to P. Now the character is P. So is P in AEIOU? No, false. So if block is false, what block will be executed? Else block will be executed. So when you say else block will be executed, you are saying constant in count plus is equal to 1. So earlier, what is the constant value? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So you're saying 1, right? Then P is done, another P, next P. So we take next P. For character, now character is P. Is P in AEIOU? No. Excuse me. Chetan, ఉన్నావా?
ఉన్నాను సార్.
కొంచెం లైవ్లీగా ఉండు, ఇప్పటి వరకు డౌట్ ఏం అడగలేదు. So P is not in AEIOU, then it will go to the else block. What is else block statement here? Constant in count plus is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now the new value of constant in count is 2. And is there any more code? It will print constant. Is there any more code? No. The loop is for P is completed. Next iteration. This iteration is completed. Now we go to the next iteration. L. Is L there in AEIOU? No. So else block will be executed. Else block again, it says constant in count plus equal to 1. That means 2 plus 1. That becomes 3. Any more code? No. This iteration is completed. So L is done, and then the next iteration, what is value of char? E. So is E there in AEIOU? So vowel count will become plus equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So at the end, we are getting 2 vowels, 3 consonants, right? Let's run this.
ఇది ఏ క్వశ్చన్ సార్ అసలు
Hmm?
ఇది ఏ క్వశ్చన్ సార్
Oh, చెప్తున్నా ఆగు. ఇది డే 17 అసైన్మెంట్ 2.
7-2 నా
అటెంప్ట్ చేయలేదా?
సార్ అందులో స్పేసెస్ ఉంది కదా స్పేస్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్ ఏమి ఇచ్చినా కౌంట్ అవ్వకుండా ఓన్లీ వొవెల్స్ అండ్ కాన్సనెంట్స్ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి.
అవును, అదే
కరెక్ట్ రాలేదు సార్. అంటే స్పేస్ కూడా కాన్స్టెంట్ కన్సిడర్ అయిపోతుంది.
అందుకే చేస్తున్నా.
సరే.
మహానుభావులు మీరు. చేతనే మహానుభావుడు అన్ని రాసేస్తాడు. తెలిసింది ఏం చేసావు నువ్వు? కీబోర్డ్ సింబల్స్ అన్ని పెట్టేసావు.
జస్ట్ నార్మల్ ట్రై చేశాను సార్. అది
ఓకే, లెట్స్ రన్ దిస్ ఫర్ యాపిల్.
నార్మల్ గా ట్రై చేశాను సార్.
తెలుసు అలాంటివన్నీ నువ్వే చేస్తావని. ఓకే, వెయిట్.
మళ్ళీ నార్మల్ గా మెథడ్ యూస్